of today's episode.
Engines out. Little bit of a mess. Got the frame and the firewall painted, and got the engine here. I gotta strip the old harness off, pull the motor mounts, and then hopefully it doesn't hit the firewall. Here's my SpearTech wiring harness, standalone. Everything's labeled neatly. Beautiful job. We're gonna go get it on the engine. There's a few things back here that you can't get to once the engine's in. One thing I have to do before I can swap the harness out is change the fuel rail pressure sensor to a 4. What came stock was a 3, and I don't have to use this wire. So I put some heat shrink around it. I'm going to tuck it in there and then torque this down to 24 foot-pounds and then get the harness ready to put on. trying to figure out if I should move the brackets to the stock location and use this exhaust manifold. It's gonna hit the frame. I'm hoping if I move it back, it might not hit the frame, but it looks like it still will. I kind of like this position, so I might have to get different manifolds. This side's clear, but that side kicks out because it's for the drive shaft of the original transfer case. So they kick the manifold flange over to the right more. So she's in.